Hey guys, today we have Barbie's Sister Fun!
Sister Winter Fun, right? Because this is the snow edition. And today's a special day because it's actually
snowing! I see snow!
Let's open it up. Let's see. This is Barbie with her sisters. They are ice skating and snowboarding. So this is fun. All right. I love the sweaters.
Look.
What's that?
It's a skating.
It's a snowboard.
Snowboard.
And you put your feet in it. You go down the hill with it. It's kind of hard to do. I've never been snowboarding.
Look, Skipper.
Skipper, When you're snowboarding, it is so important for you to wear a helmet because if you fall, you can hurt your brain. So, you gotta put that on Skipper. Oh, it matches her hair.
Here's Stacy.
Oh, look how cute Chelsea looks.
Skipper is much bigger than.
I love how she looks with her little skates and her little hat. And of course, Barbie's always fabulous looking in her pink scarf and her so cute ice skates with little pom-poms on them. Sure. And you be Barbie?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey Barbie, are you ready to go snowboarding?
Sure, but I have to do some stuff today with Chelsea.
Oh, we're gonna go ice skating, you guys. Whoa, that's so cool. Wish we could come, but we don't have any ice skates.
I do.
I love your ice skates, Barbie.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, let's go, Barbie. All right, have fun, you two. Bye.
Okay, this is
So now we can pretend that I skate. Oh no, she fell. Barbie, help Chelsea. Thank you.
welcome.
Look what I can do.
Me too.
And I can and I can twirl.
That's this.
Oh, Barbie is just like a pro ice skater. Barbie, you're amazing. Wow, Chelsea did a split.
Look.
Barbie's doing a headstand on ice. Awesome, Barbie. You're doing fantastic. Kyla, do you like ice skating?
Yeah.
You love ice skating.
I practice.
You are, and you're really good at it.
And then I always skate slow with my feet.
Like this. This is Kyla. And then this is Kyla too. Ready? Watch.
But then when I fell, Mommy helped me.
That's right. And you were doing so good.
Chelsea.
Yes.
Want me to teach you how to skate even better like me?
I do.
Okay. First you put your foot up like this. I can do it better because I'm big and you're small. See? I can do it faster.
Whoa. 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 Okay, so I'm gonna try the snowboarding thing first. Okay.
You have to. Oh wait, you need my help you.
Oh, thanks, girl. Okay, here we go. I think I got this. Ready? Oh no. Ready? What do you think?
Let me try. That's what I got for Christmas.
Wow, this is so much fun. Whee!
Let me try, you sis.
Oh no, look.
What?
Look up. It's snowing.
It's snowing.
It's snowing. Yay! All right, now your turn.
Thanks.
Ready? Whoa! Here I come! Whee! Come on, Stacy, this is so much fun! Not Stacy, what's her name?
Skipper.
Skipper, Stacy.
Her name is Stacy.
Oh, it is? Whee! This is bumpy. I'd love the snow. Whee! Hey guys, we just finished ice skating with Barbie. It was so much fun. Oh, can I go on a snow tube too? Okay, alright, fine. Yay! Okay.
I think.
Oh.
Oh, we got it.
Ready or not, here I come. Whoa. Our pants fell off. Oh my god, that's funny. Ready?
Our feet came out.
Whee!
Hey, what's this? Ah!
Oh no!
Look at my shoe.
Ouch! Come on, Skipper, what are you doing? Get on the snowboard.
Where's Barbie? I need help.
Barbie! Skipper needs help.
Oh, Skipper, what are you doing? Well, I was trying to slide on that board, but then my shoe came off.
I told her she needs her boot on, but she's not listening to us. And she needs to get on the board so we can have fun. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Hey, I want to try that.
All right, fine, your turn.
You guys have to share.
Go, get on.
Hey, let me put my boot on.
It's snowing, snowing, woohoo!
Let's put a jacket on and go outside. Oh my god, the snow is snowing. The snow is so big. Look at Mommy's flowers. Look at my house. Wow, look inside. This has snow.
That is a lot of snow.
Yeah.
I can't even believe how much snow it is. Whoa, look at the door. It's totally buried.
I'm getting rid of this snow.
Go for it. Get it all out. I don't know how it snowed in your house so much.
Thank you for watching Playtime Toy Unboxing. We hope you liked the video. Click like and share and subscribe to our video. Bye!
It's snowing!
That video was awesome! Click the boxes to see even more. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you had fun, and also click here to subscribe to our channel for new videos every day.